classic rock bass solos and classic rock bass lines. Here today I've got a great song that's really a classic rock bass line that's just fun and melodic and just real fun to learn. So that's going to be today's song. It's actually from that's going to be today's lesson, and this is going to be from it's a Steel Heart song back in the day, but this is from the movie Rockstar that had Mark Wahlberg, Zach Wilde in it. It's a pretty neat story neat movie to watch. So that's Rockstar. And the bass line, they actually call it Steel Dragon. It's We All Die Young. The band in the movie was Steel Dragon, but it was really a Steel Heart song. So that is We All Die Young, and that's what we're going to get into today. So if you're new here, I'm Don with the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwanttoPlayBass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, and become a member for free. Get updates on music gear, videos coming out, lessons coming out, free lessons that I give out there as well. And sign up when you're serious about your bass playing and reach your bass playing goals that way, okay? And this is I Want to Play Bass, your YouTube channel, everything bass. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, get in a loop, don't miss a beat. I've got lots of videos, video lessons, lots of tips that you need to know to help you succeed as a bassist. So we're going into We All Die Young. This is in the key of C. And hopefully you got that 5 string because they work that bad boy right there, okay? And it's in the key of C, but it starts on D. It gives it that little minor feel. D is the minor. D is Dorian of C, and it's gives you that minor feel right off the bat. Just to give it get a little more emotion going. That's kind of the goal, and that was their objective with this song, Steel Heart, when they wrote it. Now let's get on with it. It comes in. You've got it comes in with this bass line here, and this bass line is throughout the whole song. So we're starting on D. It's tuned down a half step. So right now I'm really down at 430. My G is really F sharp. Everything's down 1/2 step. So you get it. A lot of times I do that to help vocalists and everybody just be able to sing those higher notes and stuff like that. It just helps bring it down a little bit to help everybody out, and it gives it that low end a little more grasp. So it starts off like this. Okay, so that's the whole thing. It just repeats that over and over quite a few times in the intro and then into the verse. And that's going to be, you're taking the G octave, the 12th fret, and you're using that open D, and then you're sliding up, so you're taking the 12th fret G and the A, and you're using, so these are going to be notes you're using up high here. The 12th fret G, the 13th fret or 14th fret A, 16th fret B, and then you're coming back to G, you're going to A, and then you're coming down to an F sharp and to G, okay? So you're using those in this sequence. G, G to A, and the open D right there. Okay, G to A, A to B, and then you just do that B, kind of a pull off to G, real quick. Now to F sharp to G, A to pull off to F, and you just repeat that over and over. Okay, so you got that? So you keep repeating that. You do it one intro, one verse, and then it goes into the chorus. hopefully you got that low B. If not, you can just play the D here. It loses a little bit of the feel, but you're fine. You can do that. So you've got C, B, G, D. C, B, G, G. C, B, G, G. C, B. And you go back into the melody part. Okay, you do that for another verse, and then it comes back. It goes back to the chorus again. C, B, chorus, G, D. Okay, it does that 6 times. Okay, or it does it one more time. So it's either 5 times or 6 times. So it goes that again. Okay, so do that 5 times or 6 times. On the 5th or 6th time, it goes. You don't play the G. Okay, and then you go back in here. Now we do a little guitar solo over top of your bass solo. It's not really a bass solo, you know, just a bass line, but it's pretty cool. So you do that 4 times for the guitar solo, and then the second half of the guitar solo, you drop down to F, G, and here it changes key. You go to G sharp or A flat, however you want to look at enharmonics, A flat, G sharp, enharmonics, A flat. Or it's A flat, the enharmonics, G sharp. Okay, so you've got. Okay, so you got F, G, A flat, G, F, D. Okay, now you do that 3 times, still guitar solo. Now we change. We build on the F. Okay, so you got those little punches there. So we build on the F, G, B, A flat, G to F. But you've got to get that rhythm down. Everybody's got to come together on that. Drummer, everybody's got to come. Okay. And then it breaks. And then we go back into the chorus. Times, 3 times, and then the 4th time you leave out the G. Now we're getting ready to end it. Just do this 2 times, and then we end it. And this is how we end it. That's all it is. You do that half a time. You do it 1.5 times actually. And then the second time. Okay, so the second time you're just doing C, B. I mean the second time you're doing half that, and then you're going C, B, G, A. That's your classic rock bass line for today. So if you enjoyed it, hope you did. Help me help you hit that like button. I'll catch y'all on the flip flop in the next video. Bye for now.